follow your heart.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim a big success? Alam niyo, walang sepangs-sepangs kasi pwede niyo naman yan i-rewatch. Alam ko kanina, nung pinakita pa lang yung wedding scene, sigawan ka.
Sa show na ito at kay Kim Pao.
Yes!
And of course, pag sinabi nating Team Be The Best, ang mga tao sa likod ng camera na bumuo nito, ang ating director, Chad Vidanes.
Direct Chad!
And Paco Santa Maria. And of course, the Dreamscape team led by Ro and Kathy. The View team with Mel and Sophie and our sales team. Maraming salamat. Sila po ang Team Be The Best. Kaya napakaganda po ng show natin na pwede nating paulit-ulit panoorin. Di ba? And lastly, may isa pang pinasikat na term. Ano ang laging sagot ni Secretary Kim kay Brandon? Okay. So, ulit-ulitin ba natin tong show na to?
Copy po!
Ida-download ba natin ang View?
Copy po!
Binge-watch natin ang View. Binge-watch natin ang What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Hindi lang sa View, but sa Kapamilya Channels.
Copy po!
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Garlic. Garlic, one question lang before I let you go. Ikaw ang naging pastora doon sa eksena na yon. Okay? Sorry, i-hot seat kita bigla.
Guys, hindi to handa ha? Hindi to handa.
Hindi to scripted, ha? Hindi to planado. Gusto ko lang itanong, ano ang naramdaman mo watching them do that wedding kiss?
Guys, can you imagine ako yung pastora, nandito lang sila, kalapit, na naghalikan. All I'm going to say, kung ano po yung kilig na nararamdaman nyo, guys, standing there, 10 times yung kilig.
Wow!
Totoo yung kilig na dala ng Kim Pao. And, syempre, proud tayong pastora sa union ng Kim Pao.
Alright. Thank you, Garlic. Palapakan natin, Miss Garlic Garcia. Grabe. Okay. Dahil officially, sinimulan na ni Miss Garlic, sisimulan ko ng tawagin ang cast ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Dahil alam kong your excitement is through the roof, hindi ko na kayo i-delay pa. Dear viewers, put your hands together for our favorite, makulit but adorable boss na si Sir Walt to sing his version of Alapaa. Please welcome, Fee Palmos!
Ulitin po natin kasi nabangan niyo kanina. Yes, no, Pao Nation! Gusto na ka-strong. Gusto ka. Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo.
Yeah! Kami! Alright, Jillian! Disensya pa lang makalaman natin si Jillian. Let's go! BGY! Labo! Thank you, Angela.
Tawagin natin ang iba pang ating Be The Best Barkada. Let's call in Fee, Cowrie, and Yves Flores and Brian C. Hello, Be The
Hello
Best
po!
Barkada.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hello po.
Wow, you made it, Ives. Okay. Bati muna tayo sa kanilang lahat. Let's start with Ives.
Ayan na, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sana masaya tayo at salamat po sa
Masaya kami kasi nandito ka na.
I know, you made
My
it.
goodness!
Magtabi nga kayo. Baka pagkamala na tayo yung love team, mahirap naman yon.
Brian, please greet everybody.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Hello, hello, hello. Ang dami, grabe. Saya, saya. Hello, hello, hello.
Thank you, Brian. Of course, the diva, V. Palma.
Hello, everybody! Ay, pagod na, pagod na. Hello, everybody! Ganon.
Kauri, please greet everybody.
hapon, Market Market!
Yan.
Yes, again, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Sigaw naman tayo dyan! Yeah!
Iba energy mo. Iba ang energy. Iba talaga ang energy pag best actress eh.
Woo! Best actress! Palakpakan naman!
Yay! Okay. Dahil andito kayo sa stage, maglalaro tayo ng isang game.
Oh my God,
Yan. Meron kayong kasamang 5 fans. Let's call in yung ating 5 contestants.
Oh my
Asa na
God.
sila?
Ito na ba to?
Ito na ba? Asa na ba yung ating 5 contestants? Yung mga fans na maglalaro? Kayo na ba yon?
Okay, nasa na yan?
Asa na? Come here. Akita sa stage. Akita sa stage.
Nako.
Okay, careful. Dahan-dahan. Ayan.
Nasaan po yan?
Yeah, welcome po.
Hello po.
Ayan. Okay. So go ahead. Group yourselves into 2. Pick a pair, pick a partner.
Ay, ayan, niyakap niya
Pick
na
a partner,
ako.
pick a partner. Okay. Ay, ayan na, nag-set up na dito. Ang ating game ay tinatawag na Be the Best Together. So, ibig sabihin, yung iyong fan na inyong kapartner, ang kailangan na maging best tandem ninyo, ka-best tandem ninyo for this game. Ganito lang ang simple ng mechanics natin, okay? So, meron tayong table, and then meron dyan mga glasses. And then merong mga chocolates. Okay? Ang gagawin ninyo, you have to separate the colors. At kailangan, kunwari sa isang glass, puro red lang. Sa isang glass, puro green. Puro yellow, parang ganyan. Pero ito yung catch. Magkahawak kayo ng kamay. So isang kamay lang yung gagamitin ninyo while doing the game. Okay? Tapos, we only have, let me see kung ilang oras ang ibibigay natin. Lagyan sa gitna.
Yan. Within this week daw yan, mas.
Correct.
set up din.
Within the week. Okay. So again, you can only use one hand and you have 60 seconds to accomplish everything. So, isa-isa natin tong gagawin. Yan ang ating mga Team Bibe preparing our game. Ide-demo nila ng, ay, ang dami naman pala. Parang tama si Fee. Parang 1 week nga ito. Okay.
Ay,
Ayan.
hanggang alas 9 tayo dito.
Okay. So, Team Bibe, 1 pair at a time. Tama ba ako? Ang 1 pair at a time ang gagawa no mechanics. Sample natin. Oh my God, ba't ikaw ang dito? Okay. Sample natin. Sample. Ito na. O, panoorin nyo guys kung paano nila gagawin. Kailangan magkahawak yung kamay, tapos isang kamay lang ang kikilos. So, let's see. Ready, get, set, go! So kailangan nyo mag-strategize. Isa ng yellow, isa ng blue, isa ng orange, isa ng brown. Ganyan. Okay? So you have 60 seconds to complete the challenge. Okay? Alright? Okay, let's go. Simulan natin. Thank you very much, Team Bibe, for demonstrating. Maraming salamat.
Jay, paano kung colorblind?
Ayun lang. Para daw pag colorblind, lagot. Yun lang. Okay. Alright. So, sisimulan natin with Team Kauri. And can we have your name?
Risa.
Riza. Okay, Riza and Kauri. Okay, akin na yung mic mo, Kauri. Alright. So you have 60 seconds to complete kung ano yung ma-achieve ninyo. Yun ang ating titignan ng ating team Bibe. 2 teams. Okay, so let's have one more team. Team ni Fee Palmos and team, what's her name?
Merlin.
Merlin and Fee. Dito kayo. Ayan.
Ah,
Okay. Pwede. So para, ayun. Okay. Ayan, 5. Yan, okay. Dito kayo, Kauri and Risa. Yan. Yes. Ayun, perfect. Okay.
tingin nga. Dali kasi baka ano.
Ifi, wag ka mandaya, oh.
Okay. Hawak kamay na, please. Hawak kamay. Ready? Ready. Get set. 60 seconds starts now. Seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop!
Time's up.
Team Bibe, please assess. Please assess. Please assess. Tingnan mo naman. Naubos nila Team Jillian yung yellow.
Pero merong mga nalaglag dito. Kailangan nating imbestigahan kaninong team yan. Para malaman kung talaga bang nanalo.
Ano?
Bawal may malaglag.
Mas Wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin panalo today.
Ang strict naman ng mga ano natin, ng ating mga
Ng BTI representative.
DTI representatives.
Ang strict.
Gusto daw talaga ubus na ubus. Okay, so isa na lang, sina Brian na lang. So let's see if Team Brian can do it.
Oh, well, papel.
So Brian, nakita nyo na, no? Kailangan pala daw lahat malalagay sa glass. Okay.
Okay, physics-wise, posible bang posible bang manalo based on physics alone?
Posible daw.
Try mo? Sige mamaya talaga sa backstage siya.
Okay.
Ikaw,
Let's see kung kaya nila to for 60 seconds. Ready? Get set, go! Gusto ko yung tanong ni Fee Is it
'di ba?
possible?
Oo, scientifically is it possible
Right.
na mailagay ito dito? Meron po bang scientist? Charing.
You're talking to a physicist right here.
Ay, so yun po.
Imposible siya. Para tapos na yung laro.
'Di ba?
Okay. Tingnan lang natin. Pero so far ang pinakamabilis is Team Jillian. For me based on what I saw, yun ang pinakamabilis. You have 25 seconds left.
Mabilis yung Team Jillian kasi nag-focus sila sa isang color.
Ate, hindi mo kayang ilagay ang lahat ng 60 seconds.
Hindi talaga. 13 seconds.
Pero yun yung ginol namin. Hindi ako papayag.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, thank you very much, guys. Wala pong nanalo tonight.
Team
Wala po
Bibe,
tayong
wala
panalo
tayong
tonight.
winner tonight. Hindi rin nila na-achieve. Pero ang panalo dito, may winner daw.
Winner.
May winner tayo. Team Jillian!
I demand a recount.
Hindi talaga naman sila talaga. Based on what I saw din. Sila yung pinakamadami. Oh, meron silang prize. Meron tayong goodie bag from View Philippines.
Congratulations!
Siyempre, meron din tayong consolation prizes para sa
Yay,
ating mga other contestants.
congratulations.
Ayan. Okay, one group photo op muna.
Yes.
Group photo op. Team Bibeb, can we clear our table first? Ayan, i-clear lang ng ating Team Bibeb para maganda-ganda yung ating view for our photo op. Again, maraming salamat sa ating mga players and sa ating bar desk. Ayan. You want me to do it?
Oh, yes. Can
Okay.
you please?
Ayan. Oh, smile, everybody! One more. 0.5. Oh, wow. Yehey! Palapakan natin Kim Won-shi!
Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mahal ko kayo.
Hey, did you know, alam nyo ba, lumipad lang si Kim Won-shik, bumiyahe lang siya from South Korea just to do this.
Yes.
Won-shik, how does it feel to be part of the series and to sing one of the songs?
I'm so glad that I could be the part of this masterpiece. And you know, I love the Philippines. And please root for me
Yay!
in everywhere. Thank you.
Are you open to doing more projects here in the Philippines?
Of course, if you just root for me and support me, I'm gonna come here and do more projects.
We'll see more of you. Thank you
Yes.
very much. Palakpakan natin, Kim Won-shi!
Thank you.
Bati ka muna kayo, please, to everybody.
Hello, Marlon Marquez! Excited na ba kayo makita ang Kim Pao?
Diba? And of course, Gawan Urian, Best Actor. Ramik Salvador!
Sabi ni ate ko lang daw,
sa likod mo.